Hello, people. I like Legos, so I made something. You'll know by the title of the video. I have to look at the camera. Okay, so this is a Lego balisong I made. Ba-doop. Voila! Alright, I'm gonna do some close-ups here. I can't switch the camera. Oh well, I'll just get closer. Okay, so how I made it spinny is I used these hinges. They're 1x4 hinges. Squeak, squeak. And then this is a helicopter blade, actually. And I made the construction to where it has this canal in it, or reservoir, or whatever, that houses the blade. Yoink! This is about as skinny as I could get it. And the lock mechanism is just an isolated brick out in the corner with some Technic pieces. That way it can spin freely and be really rigid. So when it shuts, like that. And then I try to get the colors as good as possible. I have this side with white bricks to indicate the bite handle, just so I can keep track. But this is a really fun project, and it wasn't too hard. Like so. And then basically all I can do with this is opening it like so. And then this one. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this other thing that I did.